Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan MK1 first generation Tiguan, guys, from 2008 to 2017. If you want to find where the multifunctional control module is located, this is very important component for your car. It controls all the body functions in your car. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, how to get to it. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. If you have problems with it, it could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that, and after that, guys, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, and you can see, guys, where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Guys, the multifunctional control module. Now, if you have problems with it, one thing that you should always check is the fuses and relays for the multifunctional control module. If you don't know where they're located, which fuses, relays control, you have some hidden ones as well. We'll put the link, we'll actually have the video on our YouTube channel. Check it out, we'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, but if not, it will be on our YouTube channel. You can search for it, find it, but always check that because it could be simple fix. Now, when we open the hood here, I want to show you, okay, this multifunctional control module is also known as BCM, body control module for other cars. It's nowhere here, right? But by the way, guys, just one quick thing. Okay, right here, if you open the fuse box, you have a fuse going to the multifunctional control module from here as well. So very important to check these fuses, but we have a detailed video about the fuses, so we'll consider checking that because it's very important. Now, coming inside the car, guys, what we had to do here, okay, we had to go ahead and remove that panel with the headlight switch right here, you can see. And once we did that, okay, we got to a fuse box. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And here, guys, okay, if you look now, okay, let us get a good look. Behind that relay is above it, this is your BCM body control module, also known as multifunctional control module right there. It has 3 connectors, one there, 2, and number 3 is right here. So guys, how do you remove it? Okay, if you want to see how to remove it, that's the computer right here on top. You need to remove that fuse box and the relays, and you'll be able to remove it. But we have a detailed video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan BCM body control module location and replacement. Check it out, it will teach you guys how to do that step by step. But just a quick video for any of you looking for that, because Most people don't know where it's located, and if you have problems with it before you remove it, always check the fuses for the multifunctional control module, because it could be quite simple fix as well. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.